you guys, so today we'll cover 3 things that you should review and consider before you start building your mobile app. So the first one is really understanding the purpose of your mobile app. So if you would like to have an app, answer to yourself, why? Why do you need a mobile app in your business? What is it going to do? What is it going to do for your business growth? What is it going to do for your customers? Are you building an app to help your customers complete their shopping experience in a better, more efficient way? Are you building a mobile app to have an easier way to communicate with them? Let's say you have a podcast, you share successful stories, you provide motivational information, so on and so forth. Is your app going to be dedicated to a cause, right? There's so many different variations of mobile apps, but you really need to outline the reason why you're building it, because once you have that, it'll help you identify the right content for your mobile app. What problems are you going to be solving for your customers? And now you need to know the features that will help you to deliver these solutions through your mobile app. So what you need to do at this point is really do a research about all the mobile platforms out there. And there are some amazing ones, and I work with them as well, that are fully customizable. And usually for small business owners, there is truly a solution for everything that already exists. So it doesn't make a lot of sense for you to go out there and start looking for mobile app developers to develop something for you from scratch and spend thousands and thousands of dollars for something that already exists. You just have to tweak it and customize it, right? And we're talking hundreds of dollars versus thousands of dollars. So again, do your research. If you're not sure what platform to sign up, call the customer service, explain to them what you're trying to build, and see how they respond to you. Also, a great key to that is customer support and the level of help they're providing you before you even sign up, because a good platform that has a good help desk and good support team should be able to tell you right away whether they have a solution for you and for your mobile app. So the 3 things you should always consider before you start building your mobile app. Your purpose, right? Why do you need it? And why should you have it? The second is the content. Problem solving. What solutions do you need to deliver to your customers so they keep coming back to you, right? Customer retention, loyalty. And the third one is the platform that you will be using to make sure that all these great ideas that you have can be supported through this platform. And then once you build your product and you publish it, it's a phenomenal product that really delivers the results that you deserve to have. If you have any questions, don't forget to DM me below. Thanks again for your time, and I'll chat with you later. Bye.